Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by getting access and opening the code editor. This is where you will run everything. Once signed in, request Earth Engine if needed and create a new script. Then import a dataset from the catalog into your script pane so you can reference it by variable name. Make sure to name imports clearly. This prevents confusion later. You are now ready with a workspace, a dataset, and a blank script. Start by visualizing a simple image to confirm access. You will next prepare and process your data. Filter image collections by date range and geographic bounds so you only handle relevant pixels. Once filtered, apply cloud masking and then use reducers like mean or median to aggregate. Use map to apply a function to every image for tasks like NDVI calculation and chain select to pick bands for computation. Make sure to check scales and projections to avoid misaligned results. To finish, export your final image or table to Drive, an Earth Engine asset, or cloud storage. Define region, scale, and CRS explicitly so outputs match your needs. Start the export task and monitor the Tasks tab until completion. If a job fails or outputs look wrong, check common issues: mismatched projection, incorrect scale, or unintended null masking that removed data. If you see blank tiles, rerun with a larger scale or a logging print to reveal which step produced empty or clipped data.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.